Hi everyone, this video is about the importance of networking.
Yeah, so it's all about all about networking. It's very crucial, especially as an active entrepreneur. I mean, you meet new people every day. A new person is a new opportunity. You can learn something from everyone.
Yeah. Opportunities often, and probably more often than not, actually come from networking. So the opportunity would have never happened without the networking.
Yeah, exactly. You've got to know the person.
Yeah.
You can, and it's not only like exactly what they're going to offer you.
Yeah.
You can just take something that they've taught you, and then you can put your own twist on it. You can develop it into your own ideas, but you never would have had those ideas if it wasn't for that one person.
Yeah.
I mean, it's December 2018. I didn't know Jono in February 2018.
No.
So as little as 10 months, I've got to know him. I actually I told him about the eBay dropshipping. And
Actually, he told me about the eBay dropshipping like a few times, and I was like, "Oh no! I tried that once upon a time. I'm into Amazon FBA now. I'm not really fast."
Which was also something I was interested in. So we collided interest.
Yeah. It was Amazon that actually brought us together.
Yeah.
We found it was an Amazon FBA UK sellers group, really good group, and I had a mentor at the time, and it was Matt who was looking to get a mentor as well, and my mentor just said, speak to Matt, say that I'm great, all this stuff. And I spoke to Matt, and we just got talking, and then he offered me the eBay stuff, and I kind of just said no twice. I think I just thought, that's not for me. And I thought, hold on, this guy's not trying to take any money from me or anything, not trying to sell it to me. He's just talking to me. So we just got talking, and this opportunity just grew from there. We went all in on it. We got along. We decided we wanted to be business partners. We've got an Amazon FBA product as well, and it's because of networking. That's how this all began. We wouldn't be sitting here today with these lights, recording this course. We wouldn't be here, and it's so good that we are, and it's because of networking. And that's why we wanted this quick video just to tell you how important it is.
Definitely, and quickly to expand on that, I just want to confirm it's not like I was chasing him down the street. Like, come on, do totally it. Stop rejecting me. Was. Don't listen. But no, we kept talking over Amazon, and eBay started. Don't forget, I didn't know the best practices then either, I was a bit lost in it.
Took some time,
but I started to okay in it, and I was like, I'm actually doing okay here. You should get on it, and then I think Jono got on it, and he quite quickly got to my level. Yeah, and then we just got so hyped. Yeah, just got so hyped.
It really went from there, didn't it?
And then we were just like, right, double down, go. Yeah. But yeah. I would definitely not be here today if I hadn't shared that with him. Yeah. So it's not only always about receiving information. Sometimes giving information will actually lead you to a much better place, which is incredible.
And have that confidence as well to network. Some people they don't do it because they're too scared of what people are going to think of them, or what they're going to say is stupid. I've said loads of stupid stuff to people when I've networked, but I went and did it. And I wouldn't be where I am today without doing that. So have that confidence about you. Believe in yourself a little bit more. Actually, have loads of self-belief. I mean, you've bought this course. You've actually invested in your time, your hard-earned money to do this, to go out there and network. So it's not just about networking for this type of business. Dropshipping could be different avenues. But I'm talking about if you get into Amazon FBA, if you get into property, if you get into any other type of business, go out and network first. Find out a bit of information. Definitely. It really helps.
And guys, we've built a community, and that's somewhere where you can start today. Yeah. So get out there, introduce yourself, and people will come back and try and meet up for coffee.
And Matt, what's that cool phrase you got about network?
He
loves it.
The entrepreneur's bread and butter. Your network is your net worth, and it is so true.
It's a good phrase.
It is a good phrase. We're gonna make it the title of the video.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right, guys. See you in the next video.